Bonjour! Hello everyone, I'm Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti. And today we are going to start with the 10th video of the first series of Basic French. So in the Compter en Français series, that means counting in French, in today's video we are going to start with the number 91 and cover it till 100. So let's get going. Here we have the first number of our video, that is 91. But before that, let me tell you one thing, that I'll be pronouncing the French pronunciations 2 times so that it would be much more clear for you. Here we have the first number, that is 91, which is 91. 91. Next comes 92, which is 92. 92. Here we have 93, which is 93. 93. And now comes 94, which is 94. 94. And now we have 95, which is 95. 95. Now we have 96, which is 96. 96. And here we have 97, which is 97. 97. And now we have 98, which is 98. 98. And here we have 99, which is 99. 99. Now we have the last number for this video, that is 100, which is called as 100. Which is called as 100. So let us recall what all we have learned today. Here we have 91, which is 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and so on. So that was all for this video. I hope that you liked it. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that, thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.